Despite my extremely passive unboxing video of this $8 product from the good land of Wally World, I was pleasantly surprised with this little light bar. Here's why. So we're gonna dive into the product. I'm gonna tell you the good and the bad. This is what we call a review. First off, how's it powered? Well, as typical, USB. I'm too cheap to run a power cord from the outlet and then an adapter, so I decided to use a portable charging bank. To actually turn the light on, it's not just the flip of a switch, it's not a clap on. What we do, we use a remote. So the remote is pretty typical of any LED strip that you might have. There's functionality for adjusting the brightness, turning it off and on, as well as color choices. But as I mentioned in the unboxing video, this remote hits about 50%. And that 50% being the back end of the light. So if I'm back here, this is gonna look silly if it works right now. Oh, it did. That's besides the point. In actual usage, if I'm behind the light, usually things won't adjust. But when I actually transfer the remote in front, you will see or not see that it is totally not complying right now. And that's okay, because this, my friends, is an honest review. What we understood from this is that this remote will not always work. If you're not a vertical guy and prefer things to be a little bit more horizontal, you can have it your way. All you have to do is unscrew the stand from this bottom hole and actually put it into the other mounting point, and then you can have it mounted like so. Now, where would this be good? Well, for me personally, I thought going under my TV, because the stand sticks up, I could have two of these and then they could be synchronized, which I'll be talking about later, through the application for this light. As for the actual application, this is available on Apple and Android products. Going to the Apple App Store, because I am a bandwagon and happen to use Apple products, it is listed under Aura LED, where I will open. The app's functionality is pretty advanced, I will say, compared to others. Not only does it allow you to adjust things like color and brightness, but you can also sync the lights up to each other using group settings on the left side panel here, as well as functions like syncing to music that's on your phone, or even having your smart device listen through its microphone and then allow the light to react based off what it's hearing. While this app is helpful, it is only helpful when it works. I will say that while it did pair quite quickly, I did run into some connectivity issues later on when trying to use this product. But for the low cost of $8, can I really argue that the functionality isn't any better than it is now? That's my honest review of this product. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, as well as subscribe for future content, because if it's under $10, I'm probably gonna review it, because at this point, we have no other money to buy products. If you think it's something that you wanna see, let us know in the comment section below, and we'll see you there.